Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Display section after scrolling down. Now click on Display Size and Text. Swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it and check out Preview above. When you finished, just click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!